How to recover USAA online ID. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover your USAA online ID. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up any browser on your phone and then search for USAA and then go to the USAA website. So tap here. Then here on the USAA website, tap on log on in the top right corner. Then here tap on I need help logging on. Then here tap on recover my online ID. Now here it says help us verify your USAA membership by entering your USAA number, social security number or tax ID number. So here select social security number and wait for a few seconds and it will take you to this page. Now from here you can contact on this number and they will help you to recover your USAA online ID.